Sometimes giving up is actually a great thing because it frees you up to focus on what is meaningful to you and what is maybe actually meant for you. How can you tell when it is time to give up? Here are 3 reasons. Reason number 1, when you realize that you don't actually love what you are focusing on. When we are spending our time and our focus and our energy in an area that doesn't really feel quite right, we don't actually love what we're doing, it's likely because there is something better that is meant for you. Reason number 2, when what you are focusing on feels really, really hard. Yes, that is what I said. Not challenging. There is a difference. When you are moving through a challenge, but you feel like you're making progress, that feels really good. Sometimes, however, we feel stuck when no matter how much effort and energy, maybe we're doing all of the right things, that endeavor is just not working out. There is likely a good reason. And reason number 3, you want to pay attention to your gut. When your gut is speaking up, this is your intuition telling you, go another way.